Hi everyone, in this video we continuously work on page 382, example 2, and page 383, example 3. Okay, so open your book to page 382. Now in example 2, we're going to practice more, use more than one step. So it's gonna be a little bit more complicated what we've done in the previous video. So solve the perimeter formula. P equals 2L plus 2W for L. But the basic concept of this section is going to be just leave the letter alone, which means I'm going to leave this term alone. I don't want to have a 2W here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2W away each side, which become P minus 2W equals 2L. In this time, your order matters. You have to keep the same order. Now what? I want you to leave for L, not with 2. So you divide it by 2 each side, then you can get your answer, which equals L is P minus 2W over 2. So, you can, keep simplifying, which is break 2 for P and then the, 2W, it will be 1 over 2P minus just W. Okay? Alright, so please pause this video to work on quick check 2 by yourself. Once you're done, please check your answer. Alright, quick check 2. Solve for the variable indicated in red. Alright, so first question, which one is in red? A is in red. So the other question you have, 5A plus 7 equals B. Okay, first step. What should I do? It's really pretty much same as the solving just, equation, right? So I want to isolate A alone. What should I do? I have to undo addition or subtraction. This time, I'm going to minus 7 each side so that I have a 5A equals B minus 7. Once again, you have to think about the matter. You should not change B minus 7 as a 7 minus B. That's a totally different question. Now what? I have to cancel out 5 by dividing. So my A would be B minus 7 over 5. But you may rewrite this part into the two different fractions. 1 over 5, B minus 7 over 5. That would be your final answer. Alright, let's go. B. I have a P equals 2L plus 2W. So I have to leave W alone. What should I do first? I'm going to take 2L away. It will be P minus 2L equals 2W. Now what? Divided it by 2 so that I can leave W alone. And my W would be 1 over 2P minus L. Alright, next. C. Your question is y equals variable x over 3 plus 8. What should I do first? You should take 8 away. Then you got a y minus 8 equals x over 3. Now what? I want you to leave x alone. You need to times 3. Once again, once you times 3, make sure y minus 8 is on your group. So you need to times 3 together. So this 3 should be, distributed. That would be 3y minus 24 equals x. Okay? Alright, let's move on to the next question. Example 3 on page 383. Alright, so you plan a 425-mile trip to Bryce Canyon National Park. You estimate you will average 50 miles per hour. To find out how long the trip will take, solve the distance formula D equals RT for T. And then you're going to plug into the number to find out your answer. So now you need to do, write down your distance formula into the time. Which means that I don't want to have a r there. You are going to divide it by r. Then my answer this time would be t equals d over r. What do you know? I plan a 425-mile trip. So instead of d here, I'm going to plug in 425 over, I know the speed, which is 50 miles per hour. Then you can find your t, right? What is it? 425 divided by 50. 50 can go into 425 8 times. And then you're going to put the decimal point. Bring 0 down to make a 250. 50 can go into 255 times. My answer t would be 8.5. So it will take you about 8.5 hours to complete this trip. Alright, so please work on quick check 3 by yourself and then you can check your answer with me. Alright, quick check 3. Solve the distance formula in example 3 for r. So we still using d equal rt for what? R. So now I don't wanna, with t on the right side, I'm going to divide it by t, both sides. Then my answer r would be d over t. That's it. Alright, I hope this video helped you understand. We're going to see the next video. Bye.